Welcome to the new video of WeTech. Many of you wanted to know how we are computing on Lightning. In this video, we would like to show you how it works. So let's just start with an explanation of the different light types. This one is a scene light. We call it like that because it simply lights our whole scene. Changing its position won't change anything of its lighting. It simply makes the whole scene bright. So yeah, that is a directional light. It's mostly used to simulate the sun in games. Just like a scene light, it simply lit the whole scene and only its rotation matters. This one is called Spotlight. Here you can use the widget to scale it or to drag it around. Of course, we can also change its color if we want to. The next light we want to introduce is a point light. Just like the spotlight, you can scale it using the widget or change its position with it. So now I will add two more lights. Placing a blue and a green light over our red light should result in making the light white. And as you see, the lightning sums up into being white, just like in reality. Now let's see what we are able to do with the LightPrePass. I'll just duplicate those lights a few times. And I could do this for a pretty long time, so let's just skip this. Here we go. We now have a well-lit scene with many colorful lights. I had a reason to not put a light in the front of that house. I'm going to show you our specular reflections there. I'll just add another light here and then you will see what I mean. Now when I add more lights of different colors, the reflections will also interpolate nicely. I'm just going to add a few more lights now and you can see what we get there. And of course this also works with more complex meshes, like this one. One big advantage of the LightPrePass is that we can modify the lighting in our shaders just as we want. I'll just show you what I mean at this mesh. Now we will need another shader file. The creation of them is rather simple. I just have to type its name in here and of course select the package it will go to, and that's all. There it is. We can easily load our generic shader template, but for our needs we need to add a little more shader code. This one should render our mesh as yellow and unlit. Next step is to tell our mesh that it has to use our new shader. Now I can see what my shader does and I want some lightning now. And some white specular lightning would be nice too. We are also free to modify its power. As well as its color. Of course you can do even more, but for now it's enough. I'll just add more of those meshes. And all of them will be lit differently, even though they use the same mesh. Unlike forward shading, we don't even get problems by using many meshes together with many light sources. No, seriously, that isn't a problem. We still got about 100 frames per second with that amount of lights. And it only dropped a tiny bit after another flute. Now that we've added so many lights, what's about more meshes? As you can see, everything is still dynamic. But yeah, now we should move to a real scene. This is our example map of the last news posting. We just put a few lights in here. Everything is still dynamic, even the lighting on the grass. The quality of the lighting on the statue is also really good. All those glossy reflections were created only by using specular lighting. Now that you've seen what WeTech's lighting system is capable of, you may want to know what other cool things are possible with it. Stay tuned for our upcoming news discussing things like refractions, shadow mapping or indirect lighting.